Did you know that vitamin B12, the unsung hero, hidden behind its modest presence in many foods? Yes, this essential nutrient is the backbone of DNA synthesis, energy production, and the smooth sailing of our central nervous system. But hold on to your hats, because despite its omnipresence, vitamin B12 insufficiency and downright deficiency are more common than you might think. Picture this: a world where fatigue and weariness aren't just Monday morning clicks, but potential signs of a deeper issue. Vitamin B12 deficiency could be the mastermind behind those days where you feel like you're running on empty. And it doesn't stop there. Say hello to glossitis, the tongue's fiery rebellion against B12 scarcity, leaving your taste buds in turmoil. But wait, there's more. Ever felt those tingling sensations in your hands and feet, like a party of pins and needles crashing your nerves? That's paresthesia, and while it could be a sneak peek into B12 deficiency, it also moonlights as a symptom of other conditions like diabetic neuropathy. And speaking of sneaky culprits, did you know that even your medications could be in cahoots with B12 deficiency? Take metformin, for instance. While it's busy tackling diabetes, it might just be hindering B12 absorption, leading to a whole lot of misdiagnoses and missed opportunities for treatment. But it's not all doom and gloom. Let's talk mental health. Depression knocking at your door? It might just be B12 deficiency pulling the strings, elevating those pesky homocysteine levels, and sending your mood on a roller coaster ride. Now, let's shift gears to the brain fog. Trouble concentrating? Vitamin B12 deficiency might be the stealthy saboteur behind your mental acrobatics. But fear not, for a dash of B12 supplementation could be the key to unlocking your cognitive prowess. But wait, there's a gut feeling about this. Literally, gastrointestinal issues like diarrhea, nausea, and bloating might just be the gut's way of waving the B12 deficiency flag. And those headaches? Not just any headache, but a potential clue to the B12 puzzle. Muscle cramps, impaired coordination, even vision disturbances. B12 deficiency has a way of making its mark on every corner of your being. But fear not, for knowledge is power, and armed with this understanding, you're one step closer to reclaiming your vitality. So there you have it, folks. The enigma of vitamin B12 deficiency unraveled before your very eyes. But the story doesn't end here. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and together, let's decode the mysteries of our health, one nutrient at a time. Like, share, and subscribe to join us on this journey to wellness.